Good day. We, a team of students from the University of San Agustin, proudly present our prototype, S.A.F.E.H.A.U.L, built for site-aware factory equipment and logistics handling for manufacturing. This project is designed to enhance workplace safety, accuracy, and efficiency in manufacturing environments through autonomous robotics. In manufacturing facilities across Iloilo, Panay, and the Philippines itself, workers manually transport materials between storage areas and processing stations. These tasks often involve repetitive lifting, heavy loads, and navigating narrow or crowded workspaces. Such conditions increase the risk of injuries, particularly musculoskeletal disorders.
According to the International Labor Organization and the Department of Labor and Employment, manual material handling remains a leading cause of workplace injuries in industrial settings. Aside from safety concerns, manual transport can also result in material misdelivery, spills, and production delays, negatively affecting productivity and operational costs for local manufacturing facilities.
To address these challenges, our team developed S.A.F.E.H.A.U.L, a VEX IQ-based autonomous robot designed to safely transport and dispense raw materials within a manufacturing environment. The robot features a compact and stable wheelbase, allowing it to navigate factory aisles commonly found in small to medium-scale manufacturing facilities in Iloilo and Panay. A reinforced dispensing platform securely holds raw materials during transport. Using a guided vertical mechanism, the platform can be raised or lowered to align with workstations' input trays, ensuring smooth and controlled unloading.
To guarantee accurate delivery, the robot uses color sensors to identify color-coded workstations, ensuring materials are delivered to the correct processing area.
For safety, AI cameras and bumper switches detect obstacles such as workers, equipment, or misplaced items. When an obstruction is detected, the robot can stop, reroute, or wait to prevent accidents.
By automating short-distance material transport, the robot reduces reliance on manual carts and forklifts, helping improve workflow efficiency and reduce operational costs. In real-world applications, S.A.F.E.H.A.U.L can be utilized in assembly lines, packaging, and fabrication workshops common in Iloilo City, throughout Panay, and the Philippines. In conclusion, S.A.F.E.H.A.U.L demonstrates how autonomous robotics and sensor-based systems can improve safety and efficiency in Philippine manufacturing environment.